Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and keeping well with your nutty ideas. Now here I am welcoming you all to yet another interesting hairstyling video tutorial that is going to make your day on any wedding, school or for any other occasions of your special team. Yes, let's see what lovely hairstyles are we going to make now that is going to adorn your beauty. So let's get started. Here we have made a beautiful bun-like structure on the top, making these similar patterns from either side of the hair, rolling and twisting it back and forth and making this lovely pattern from top to bottom, and your end result will amaze you. Isn't it looking simply pretty? You can always decorate it with the help of your clip of your own choice. Again, we are making some patterns like this by rolling in the hair and taking it back and forth by twisting the hair from top to bottom, and by extra hair you can make a braid like this on either side, and you can always roll them up and secure it with the help of beautiful lovely decorative clips. Now let's see what lovely hairstyles are we digging into. Here's yet another interesting bouncy hairstyle that will give you a bouncy voluminous look to your hair. Messy hairstyles are always one's favorite. Isn't it looking really amazing? Proceeding further in the video, and this hairstyle is for short hair girls, and here's something pretty that we are going to create, I'm pretty sure, and this is the lovely bun that you can always carry it. And here's another hairstyles that will definitely take your eyes. You can never take your eyes off these lovely hairstyles because these are simply pretty and awesome. Now let's see what are we going to do now by rolling it into the form of a beautiful circular bun like this and securing it with the help of a lovely loose rubber band. Again, take the shape like this, make beautiful lovely patterns by taking the hairs out in this way from either side of the hair, and by making a zigzag pattern interlocking the hair in this way, and this is giving a bulky look to your hair. Now again make a ponytail, short ponytail in the middle, and then secure it with the help of a clutches and roll it into a bun. Take the hairs out like this from a beautiful lovely pleat and roll it and take it into a zigzag pattern. Make this pattern on either side of the hair and then twist and top and twirl it and then secure it with the help of your lovely beautiful beads. Now proceeding further, we are making yet another hairstyle that is going to make you look amazing. Here's by twisting the hair, converting it into a beautiful bouncy looking bun. Proceeding further, let's see what another hairstyles are we digging into. Here's the one that is going to make your day. Another interesting hairstyle by making a beautiful bun-like shape like this and giving it a bulky look.